that I'm used to seeing the pop.
Oh,
Sorry,
today is 25th May 2024, and we are at a Sunday managing call. And all the questions and all the things that I talked, I'm so sorry. Probably the new people didn't want to hear. The one who came later didn't want to hear. And so today's topic is distractor implant. So I want to say it again. So what if all that you have been told to do and live by in this reality, study. I'm not saying they're wrong or right. I am just saying they like study, grow up, get a degree, get a job, get married, have children, 2.5 children, Gary says, have a house, have a car, and then you're sorted. Probably that could be. Just you let me know if it is. Could be. Hi, Shweta. Could be a distraction from living, from life. Could it be? You were born to have joy. You were born to have fun. You were happy. Happiness was who you were. And you lost it somewhere growing up. Aren't you generally happy? And then you choose, oh, I have to do this. I have to do this. I should do this. I have to call up this. And you distract yourself from being happy, from who you truly be, from being the joy and ease that you truly are. You don't even see that your happiness personified. You can't even see that that's what brings you ease, joy in your life when you're happy. And you lose it because you're not supposed to be according to this reality. You have to be serious. They say happy as a child. So every child, you've been a child, you've grown up, you are happy. So did you live a life, distracted life, while creating a life that you don't like, that you want to get rid of now? Interesting. So all the distractions that you have lived by, that you have bought from this reality, that somewhere you lost yourself, are you willing to be that, have that, choose that now? No, how can we? Nobody said yes. Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right? Don't do it. I don't know if I'm not forcing, just telling you there's another possibility. It's really, really amazing that we will choose everything else but us. I will do this. So finally, I'm happy. You will kill your happiness now in the illusion and the fantasy of in one day I will be happy. What if choosing happiness brought you all that you're looking for? Could it be possible? When you choose to do things with ease, with happiness, with joy, pick up what you want to do, what brings you joy, doesn't it get done faster? So how often do you choose life to distract you from the joy, the happiness, and the ease that you truly be. Everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? Now, this, I am going to say jumbled up words, which are the clearing statement in Access Consciousness, which blasts the energy and allows you to choose whatever you desire to choose. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, online shots, boys, provads, and beyond. Oh, what's this? If you want to know more about it, go to theclearingstatement.com and you will get the descriptions in 20 minutes. So when you're having fun, when you're doing something, isn't it called wasting time? ये तो सारा दिन हंसती रहती है, has nothing to do, कभी इधर कभी उधर, बस खुश रहती है, सारा टाइम फन ढूंढती रहती है, काम क्या करेगी? Any of you here heard that growing up? I did. When you're having fun, you're considered useless. कुछ काम का काम नहीं कर रही. You're wasting time. जब तक आपका सीरियस फेस नहीं है, पेपर पेन नहीं है, वो काम करते हुए नहीं दिखते. मेरी माँ कहती थी लड़कियां काम करती अच्छी लगती हैं. Wouldn't there be a lot of love, lightness, ease in the world if everybody was joyous and happy? You know, I was so sure of my life when I was living it before Access. I came to Access and everything shattered. मुझे लगा मेरी तो कोई फाउंडेशन ही नहीं है, मैं तो सारा कुछ हिल गया है. I wasn't so sure. I was like, I don't know anything. This is all new to me. And yet it was that there was something that was luring me, inviting me to just go on choosing class after class, even though I didn't know what was going on. I actually didn't know who I was. All that I had created a facade, who I was, definition of me just fell apart. I didn't know who I was. And then, like वो कार्ड्स का घर होता है ना, सारा ऐसे गिर गया. फिर बाद में आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कुछ ना कुछ करना शुरू कर दिया. So अब I can't go back. तो कहते खून लग गया. Now I want to know more, want to explore more. Did I know that these? So what are the distractor implants? Anybody here remembers them?
Blame, shame, guilt, anger, fear, love, sex, relationships, perverted point of views, business.
I heard one of the class, I heard Gary Dane rattling them out. I said, मुझे भी यही करना है. So anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, addictive, compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of views, love, sex, jealousy, peace, life, peace, life, peace, life, living, death, reality, fear, doubt, business and relationship. all these, you will wonder, ye kaise? All these are distractor implants. They distract you from living, from being who you truly be, from enjoying, from having fun. And we keep doing all those things. For what reason? Distractor implants remove your choice and make you non-functional. They are always a lie. If we are all functioning from one or the other, or more, or all, that is why we never have clarity. We can't even recognize what's going on. We get the energy of it. They are designed to lock you into this reality, like everybody else. It's like a manual given to you. You have to live by it. You have to fit into it. What will I gain? What will I lose? What will I benefit? You're functioning from only that, designed to take you out of being you. You can't be you. Why doesn't anger management ever work?
Because we are fixated on the point of view that anger तो होगा ही, बस उसको manage करना. You know, like it's like already fixated on something.
It's a done deal. It's according to us. So everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, or nice, shots, boys, provides, and beyond. Basically, life here is a distractor implant. Look at how you live your life, which is why we can't solve it, which is why we think we cannot change it. You try changing it, but with all those distractor implants, you can't change it. You have to be willing to come out of, to choose different, to recognize where you are stuck in the distractor implant. Because it is stupidity once you know. We keep creating it. We keep choosing it. We keep living it because that's how we've learned. We consider it as truth. So everything that brought up, times a godzillion, will you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? All right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, honest, short, boys, provides, and beyond. You have any questions, guys? So everywhere we've created distractor implants as truth, as proof of who you are. Would you be willing to let that go? क्या आप क्लियर पिक्चर देख सकते हैं क्या हो रहा है कैसे क्या वो what's going on, what is getting created, what is not getting created, what is getting destroyed, what is expansive? Can you have ever a clear picture of it when there is this story going on, when these distractor implants are controlling you?
We are not in present, Kamal, when we are I mean, it's distracted already. So we are thinking from the fixed point of views and past references and all that stuff.
Yeah, if I just handle this, everything will be okay. Haven't you distracted yourself from? Is it like to be changed? Oh, if I got my sister-in-law on the track, everything would be okay. Does she want to be on the track? Do you have a different choice? Does it even matter? You're distracting yourself from the choice, from what you could receive and contribute and receive contribution just by being. If you didn't have to handle anything, that's not what's going on. It's got nothing to do with you. It's not personal. It's not really a problem. Here, we have created it as a problem. And that's not the cause that you think it is. And you can't solve it. Am I making any sense, Angela?
Yeah, totally.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what's the point of holding on to any of these? For what reason? I had written it on a slip and I'd put it in my purse. I'd put it in on my glass. Everywhere I was looking at them and getting to know, oh, this is a distractor implant. We hold on to distractor implants, so we have a reason to have a problem with ourselves, with situations, with people. When you don't function from any of the distractor implants, nobody can control you. They cannot put you in a box. They cannot find you. Can they find you? Only you have to be exactly what they want you to be, then only they can find you. Otherwise, they can't find you. इस दुनिया में अगर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो मैं प्रॉब्लम हूं. If I don't have a problem, then there is something wrong with me. ऐसे कैसे होता है? झूठ बोल रही है कि इसको कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. Now I don't call those jobs in things that need required to be done as they are. They keep cropping up as problems. लोग मुंह पे तो नहीं कहेंगे, but they get it. झूठ बोल रही है, ऐसे कैसे होता है? प्रॉब्लम ही ना हो किसी को. Become present with that.
कमल, ऐसे लोगों को
Yes.
हमारी रियलिटी में ऐसे लोगों को मेंटली रिटार्डेड भी बोलते हैं, because they are not coming up with any distractor.
Exactly. Mad. People think I'm mad to live where I am living. Most people I've come across. You're mad. That's not the way
इसे
function from.
इस एज में अगर हंसने लगी तो लोग तो पूरा ही पागल खाने भर्ती कर देंगे.
बिल्कुल. कितनी उम्र से हमको बोल देते हैं चलो गेट सीरियस.
पूजा
सही
पाठ करने की उम्र में आप मस्ती कर रहे हो ना, दैट्स नॉट
नहीं
एक्सेप्टेबल बाय द
समझोगे,
सोसाइटी.
करोगे, ग्रो अप करके करोगे क्या? कुछ नहीं कर सकते, आप तो 24 घंटे हंसते रहते हो. I came to Access and said, have fun. It was something new to me. Though I was fun, I was checking myself not to be. I was always out to chal kare. I was the first one in any group. Let's go, let's do. And people had million reasons and justifications that they couldn't go. Even to a place like chal, lake pe chalte hain. Used to have meetings and after meetings, say, chal lake chalte hain. 2, 3, maybe, or just not enough. Even now, after being some of us, after choosing to be in Access for so long, are not spontaneous to the joy of life. What is just being me? I didn't even know that. I still don't know actually. It keeps changing. I thought being me was doing nothing. When came over being me, I can choose. Don't have to have list of things to choose from. I can choose from the lightness of things. Is that being me for me? Or maybe for me, or at that moment, not for you. What is for you? Find out. What I understand is the idea is to choose something that is ease, joy, glory. And that doesn't mean you're not working. That doesn't mean you're not fulfilling your duties. That doesn't mean, not duties. That's a very heavy word. Some things you have to do, you don't like to do, but you have to do sometimes. Because some other joy is connected with it. You will choose it because you're choosing that joy which comes after this. That could include your work. Find what brings you joy. And play. And when you're doing those, you forget to eat. My daughter's here nowadays staying with me. We're having so much of fun. She's so involved. ये भी कर रही, वो भी कर रही है. And it's never hi, I have to do. No, not heard a single time from her mouth that I have to do this, I have to finish this. While listening to the songs, she's going crazy listening to Satinder Sartaaj. We are both going crazy listening to Satinder. 24/7 it's running in the house. And that's running and still she's making a poster for somebody else, or she's creating my house and 10 things. Or even I could say even 20 things more than that she's handling at one point of time. Looking for different revenue streams. So what is fun for you? And this moment is fun and next moment it's not. So क्या करोगे फिर? वरना अपने आप को wrong करोगे. मैं तो कल इतना मजा आ रहा था, आज आ ही नहीं रहा. You are an infinite being. You are all energies. You can choose whatever. You get bored so easily. I am enjoying stitching quilt covers and putting tatting on it. I am. When it gets completed, I'll take a picture and send it to you. So what have you decided fun is? That is a conclusion. What if fun is in every moment choosing what is fun? Ask, what is fun for me? What if it was living beyond distraction? What if it was a choice that made you go wild, expansive? That knowing within that this is it. What is it for you guys? Come on, come alive. Yes, Angela.
So just now, a word came up for me from fun. It's like fixated unto nothing. Like that. What if that is fun?
Yeah. वो कहते हैं ना एक पोएम में हमारे को एक बहुत प्यारा सा बंदा जानता है. He writes poems and उसने एक पोएम लिखी हुई है. If I can find it, I'll send it. मेरे को एग्जैक्ट वर्ड नहीं याद. तो कहता है तितलियों को उड़ते देखो तो क्या वही फन हो. बेड पे लेटे हुए पंखे को चलते देखो तो वो फन हो. किताब पढ़ने के लिए उठाओ और छाती पे पड़ी रहे और वो फन हो. What is fun for you? क्या आपके लिए क्या फन है? बड़ी ब्यूटीफुल पोएम है वो. If I can find it, I will take a picture and send it to you in the group. All the choices, you have million choices, you have every energy, every possibility available to you. Like Chris says, universe is a bouquet. Like I say, it's a buffet laid out. Universe is a buffet. And what is that energy? Of ease, joy, play. You keep doing the boring stuff because you have to. What is that boring stuff? Like, I remember I used to give children food and they wouldn't eat vegetables. They wouldn't have milk. I mean, all children do that, right? They sometimes want to have. So I would just think of different things that I could make with the milk so that they could have it. And different things you could make with the. So we made ghee ki barfi. Turned out yummy. We're getting lots of ghiyas and toris and khiras and from the garden this nowadays. So we're making different stuffs. We made a lot of panna. And we're also thinking of bottling it and selling it. Organic, homemade. How much fun can we have? Everything you've decided is the only way of living. And even if it is not joy, you have to live by it. What are you distracting yourself from? Right, wrong, good, bad, backward, all night, short, boy, to bad, and beyond. Ask what is available to me that I haven't even considered choosing it. What else can I choose that I have never dared to choose before? Go for it. Have fun. It didn't work. Okay, no what? क्या हो गया फिर नहीं work करा तो? Something else would. Like I went and bought a machine. Sewing machine. Because my sewing machine was old and wasn't working. There was some purja you couldn't get. And I wanted to stitch myself the quilt covers. And I was going into the wrong when I came to know that the quilt covers were quite reasonable online and I could buy them. I was going into मैंने इतनी machine भी खरीद ली, इतना time भी waste कर लिया. And then Ina brought me back to reality, said, how much fun did you have? Buying the cloth, buying the machine, bringing it home, using it. क्या फर्क पड़ता? What everywhere we we distract ourselves with money and will not allow us to choose what's fun for us. You're supposed to live, guys. You're on a beautiful planet. How are you living? Living is what you're not life. Don't have a life. Yeah, then I will have a life. Live every moment of every day. Hi, Mamta. Param, Geeta, Shimona,
Hello.
Rupal. Hi, guys. It's very hard for people to control you when you are being yourself, when you're living. Or jab bhi, whenever you when you recognize that, oh my God, I'm getting into this pock and pot, that easy. Distractor implants are meant to hide. Distractor implants are meant to hide. We call it shikus in access. Secret, unacknowledged, hidden, invisible, covert, unseen, unsaid, undisclosed. Anything that is you're functioning from in any of these, they're implants and explants that are underneath them. You're not able to be free. You don't have choice. You live in a no choice universe. You have any secret? You're hiding. So what is the value of holding on to any of these? Everything you've chosen till date. Because you want to have a problem? How else can you have a problem? They have a reason to have a problem with people, with things. जो चीज हमारे से हो नहीं पाती, we cannot solve it, we cannot understand it, we cannot, will not allow ourselves to go for it, choose it. It's usually a distractor implant. Whenever you go into doubt and fear, and we do that for everything in the, I think in the whole day, there's something or the other we are going into distract, fear or doubt. Oh, I'm fearful about this. Oh, how will this turn up? Oh, they are all distractor implants. And they are not real. They are a lie. There is nothing like fear. It's an invention. You can never be afraid or you can never be scary. You can scare people. So they are, when you're going into that, you're functioning from a lie. You're functioning from distractor implant. So just pocking and podding and saying what's underneath this, whatever my reaction, whatever I'm choosing, destroy and uncreate it. You only doubt when you don't have the full information, when you're not present and you're not being. Just think of it, when you're not present with something, aren't you're in distractor? कोई चीज चल रही है, कहानी यहाँ पे, तुम सुन ही नहीं रहे हो दूसरा बंदा क्या कह रहा है, यू आर नॉट इवन प्रेजेंट. सब्जी वाला और न, so many times you leave your keys in a shop. I do. So many times you don't pay the guy and come. You're not like cheating, or you don't want to. You're just so distracted with what's going on in your head that you're not present. Could an infinite being have doubt? No. So that's why it's distractor. Every way you're functioning from obsessive, compulsive, ये तो मुझे करना ही है, ये आदमी मेरे से पैसे लेने आ रहा है, पकड़ने आ रहा है, इसने मुझे झूठ बोला है. It's not true. Ask a question. How many times you maintain your point of view and you will not choose anything just because you have made up your mind that that's not true, that's not right, that's not correct. How much evidence another person keeps giving you, or contrary to you what you get, you still will not have a different point of view. That is a compulsive, obsessive behavior, where you say, I don't have any choice. What a big lie it is. When somebody tells you you don't have any choice, where you can see through it, they can't, because they are functioning from compulsive behavior. They're functioning from obsessive. They are being obsessive about things. People lock their doors, ऊपर से, नीचे से. I have no choice, I have to do it. We've had 3-4 days back, we had a snake in the house. You always call up the wildlife people and they come and pick them up and take them. We know कहीं झीक से कहीं कुछ खुला रह गया होगा, वहां से आ गए. Now I'm going to make myself paranoid because of that. People who drink, they have addictive behavior. Addictive behavior can be anything. Locking doors could be an addictive behavior. Not driving. When you know how to drive, not driving because you think you will lose it or you will hit somebody. You worked it out, some addiction of your wrong. Wrong is an addiction. Always going into the wrongness is an addiction. If I don't sleep, I can't live. I can't have a full day, happy day. That's an addiction, psyching yourself with it. The only way I find peace is to drink, or is to smoke, or is to shop, or is to eat, or is to anything it could be. So all these distracted plants somehow are jealousy. What does it take to be jealous of somebody? Is insecurity real? Or does it mean that you are unable to know the value of you? That is why distracted plant, that's why jealousy is a distracted plant. It is always designed to make you feel less about yourself. If you knew who you truly are, you remember that you are an infinite being, you would be jealous of somebody? No. So I'll have that too. You can invite that energy into your life rather than making that person wrong or मैंने कुछ गलत किया होगा. Hi Mansi, lovely to have you here. Ranjana. Have I missed anybody? I'm so sorry. What would it take for that to show up in my life? Wow, I could have that too. But if you are in that jealousy energy, how come they have it and I don't? मैंने क्या भगवान के माँ पुटे हैं? I used to wonder why life, death, living reality is distractor implant. How much of your life are you trying to live by the manual that was handed to you? Whereas there is amazing possibilities, abundant possibilities out there, but you will choose to live by that manual that was handed to you by this reality. Reality is made when 2 or 3 people sit together and decide one thing. That is how reality is made. So you're living by somebody else's reality. Aren't you distracting yourself from living? What is that distraction is trying to create you as? You're not living. Oh, I could go and have fun and I do this, but no, I have to do this before I can even have fun. Death is a human point of view. Nobody dies, just the body dies. You are born to die, according to this reality. That's the sum total of life here on planet Earth. The goal of life is to die. And you cannot enjoy every moment of your life because you're already ये खाऊंगी तो मर जाऊंगी, ये नहीं खाऊंगी तो फिर ऐसे होगा, मुझे वही करना चाहिए, मुझे सैर करनी चाहिए, मुझे खाना चाहिए. How many times have you heard the person who were eating the right kind of food and doing exercise, right kind of exercise, died a bad death? My brother-in-law used to walk 9 kilometers every day. He was trim, slim, handsome. He was in nearly coma for 8 years on bed. Isn't that a little crazy? I'm not saying please go, don't do exercise. Please don't take me wrong. He had paranoid himself by, I have to go 9 kilometers. Cannot eat this. I cannot do this. So that becomes more important than your living and creating. This reality says this is the only way you have to have it. Like everybody else. No, that's not really true. That is distracting you from living. That is controlling you to do what they want you to do. That's their point of view. You got to have your point of view. If you don't, you will you're killing yourself. Business is a life by itself. Business, we call it a distractor. Because you're always thinking business is going to give you what you desire. Business is an implant it's not a solution to something. It never works. What is business in this reality? You have to work to get money. It's not fun. मैं काम करके आई हूँ. Job is not a fun. मैं काम करके आई हूँ, अब मैं enjoy कर लूँ. What is? Everything was joy. Not what you have to do for money is not joy. What's fun for you? Business is fun for me. That brings me money also. You
Hello.
create. Yes, yes,
I have
ma'am.
a question here.
Yes, please go
What
for
is
it.
fun? What is fun? Yes, what is fun
Ah,
and what is joy? Because this
okay.
question arises so many times. Ki what is fun for me? What is joy for me? And I never get the answer. किस चीज से मैं
Everywhere
खुश
you
हो
look
जाऊंगी
for
और
the,
किस चीज से नहीं हो पाऊंगी.
can I say something?
Yeah.
Hello? So everywhere you're looking for an answer, would you be willing to let that go?
Yes, please.
What if it wasn't an answer? What if there was no definition? What if it wasn't written in on the stone that this is fun? What's fun for you? May not be fun for me or anybody else here. Are you willing to choose what it is for you, or you want to choose what everybody else is choosing?
For me.
So I still ask, Mamta, I still ask, what's fun for me? Today, what's fun for me? Okay, show me universe, what's fun for me? Because हमें तो किसी ने बताया ही नहीं कि फन कोई चीज भी होती है, करनी भी चाहिए कि नहीं करनी चाहिए. हमें तो फन रॉन्ग लगता है. ये तो सारा टाइम फन ही करती रहती है, इसने जिंदगी में क्या करना है? Is considered bad, wrong in this reality. So we never realized or never asked or never checked what's fun for us. Start now. Hey, what's fun for me? What's joy for me? Universe, show me. And something that gives you the joy of doing it, play with it. When children just play out, they're not worried about kharab mitti, gir jayega, ye khilona hai, toot gaya, jani. They're just having fun. Can you have fun for the sake of having fun? Or you're always looking for ये होगा, ये ठीक होगा, ये fun होगा, ये नहीं होगा, मैं करूंगी तो इससे क्या नुकसान होगा, कितने पैसे वेस्ट हो जाएंगे, कितना टाइम निकल जाएगा. Then it's not fun. Life is not going to give you anything. You are the one who has to give you what you want, desire. Choose, work. Okay, this isn't fun. It was fun, I did it for 10 minutes. Now it's not fun. Bye-bye. Now what next? The ability to recognize that nothing can control you if you don't allow it. Some people say business is my life. My children are my life. My house is my life. So when you giving your life away, where are you living? You are living in a distractor. You're distracting yourself from living. If you really desire to have the totality of life, then family is part of you, business is part of you, the house is part of you, your partner is a part of you. You can enjoy it and now not enjoy it. Okay, enjoy it for this while. Okay, now I want my me time. But if you never have your me time, you never listen to yourself, you're always doing what other want to do. Is that life that you would love? Is that life that will create give you what you want? They're all distractor and plan. They are the replacement for your life, not part of your life. So do not ever think my life is my business, or my life is my family, or my house, or my car. Oh my God, I can't do without my car or my phone. Business is the source where I get money from. Family is the source where I get joy from. As long as I get it. You are. You are the source. If you undo business as a distractor and plant, destroy and uncreate it, you can have whatever you desire. That is why we call creationship rather than relationship. Relationship is also a distractor and plant. There's always a distance in relationship. Relationship is the distance between two objects by definition. So you can say communion, you can say creationship. Now you are in communion with. There is no separation, there is no judgment. In communion, there is no distance. In relationship, you have to keep creating distance. You cannot have communion. Oh, I have a relationship, it's okay. It's not about proving something. It's about every day creating. It's not about looking at what I'll get. It's about how I can create greater. It should be an expansion of you, not a contraction. All relationships are like a contraction. Aa gaya ghar. It is a limitation. Everywhere is not an expansion of you. No more fun. If you have to divorce any part of you to have a relationship, it's a distractor. And when you have a communion, it's a constant expanding. How many relationships you see, they're constant expanding. They're mostly contractive. They're mostly distractions. They're mostly separation. You can have communion and you can have separation with no point of view. This moment, I want to do my thing. But in tune, in dance with, in say, rhythm with, that allows change, that allows magic, that allows growth. Once you are not expanding, you are contracting and giving. How long can it last? Sex and relationship. Look at it. Is it the same as you see in movies and romantic novels? So you know anybody who lives like that? No one.
कवल जी 9 बज चुके.
Oh, sorry, 9:04 हो गए. मेरे को तो याद भी नहीं रहता. Okay, guys, I go on and I can just talk. I love talking. Hi, Mandeep.
I love listening to you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, love you so much. Thank you so much. The ones who came later could hear it, can hear it on Insta, Kamal Basul. And love having you all here. And I love talking, yapping. And thank you for listening to all the yapping I do. So grateful for you all. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
So grateful to you.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Kaval.
much.
Thank you,
Thank
Kaval.
Thank you, Sushamona.
Thank you for your yapping. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.